Yeah, came at 17. Damn. Give me my money. Give me my money.
I learned how to read a CSV file or how we can work with a CSV file, right? So first of all, I have downloaded Miss Bhav copy of 10th February, and I have uploaded it Miss from here. We can upload whatever we want, right? So I have uploaded a CSV file, right? Now let us create one new notebook. First, it will take some time because I am starting it after some time, so it will take time. Not because my laptop is somewhat low, but let's see. It is starting. Kernel is starting now. Kernel ready. Now let us first rename. Yep, name seems good. First, import not numpy. Numpy as we need, I guess. Pandas as PD and shift enter. So we have imported pandas as PD, and it will take some time to import, I guess. Yep. Okay, we have imported pandas. Now suppose means now we have uploaded a file here, right? Bhav10.csv. Now we need to read it, right? So there is one simple uh, keyword, I guess, to write pd dot read, then csv in bracket file name. What was file name? Dot v. So now if I shift enter, yep, here you can see it has read all, and here you can see 2500 and so many rows. Here it means it has, but let us what first let us just take few now let us just give this to a variable first, like df1 equals to shift enter. Okay, now df1 dot head. Let's just first take few values. Okay, so here we have got just 4 values. Now we have symbol, series, open, high, low, close, last, miss, all the things are there, right? Now suppose we want to know the data type of this symbol. Okay, we want to know the data type of symbol. So what we can do is here df, then a bracket, then name of the column, I guess. Name of the column is symbol, symbol, and dot data type. Yep, I guess it should give us something. Okay, name error, df is not defined. Wait a minute, it was df1. Attribute error. Attribute series object has no attribute data type. Oh, I'm really sorry. It is D type. D type O. Here you can see it as given as. Now if I write print shift and now here input. Wait. Here you can see symbol has object as a D type. Okay. Similarly, we can see for series. Here you can see series also object. So if we go for open will give me I think float. Yes, you can see float 64. So this is how we can see the type of data type. Now suppose there are few times there is a space given before few columns. Now let me see which has space. No. So most of the times there are spaces in at the beginning of this, which gives us sometimes errors. So what we can do is now whenever we are reading a file, here we can do comma. Wait a minute. Skip initial spaces. Space is equals to true. Skip initial space is equals to true. Okay. Yep. Now sometimes means there are some extra spaces at the beginning of your entries, right? So this skip initial space removes that space at the beginning, so that we won't have any problem while the output is printed. So that's pretty much it today for today. Like we can change columns and all that we will see in next video. Thank you.